Welcome to Freshfield Academy. Today we are building a Ghostbusters game. The ghosts are going to randomly appear all over the screen, and your job is to click them before they disappear. And yes, we are building a real scoreboard to track how many ghosts you catch. Let's jump into Scratch and start trapping ghosts. Now first, let's clean up our workspace. But we only have our cats here, so I'll just delete the cats. I'm going to add a backdrop. So I'll search for woods. Yes, I'll pick this one. Perfect. Now let's add our ghost. Now let's choose a sprite. Now search for ghosts. Okay. Now we have our ghost. So it's a little bit big, so just reduce the size to 50. Yes, now it can actually hide with this size. So now we need to make our ghost be able to teleport. So we're going to write the logic behind that. So we'll go to events and say when green flag clicked. You go to control and say forever. And then we'll go to looks and say hide. Should I say we'll pick hide? Yes. And then go to motion and pick wait. Set motion. Well, not motion. Should be in control. Wait 1 second. The motion to go to random position. Yes. And then the next thing now is to go to looks again and pick show. And then wait 1 second again. I'll just duplicate this time instead of. Now we hide the ghost, we'll wait a bit, move it somewhere random, then show it again. Now you can see that, okay? So now, as you can see, it is moving by random, but it seems a bit predictable. Now I'm going to replace both weights with pick random. Say let me see. Now because this is too predictable, we'll go to operator and pick random and place it inside here 1 to 3. Then I'll duplicate this. Just remove this guy. Remove this guy. I'll put this guy inside here. And that is it for that. Now this is just going to work at random. You can't predict where next it's going to come out from. Now that feels like a real game. So now moving forward, let's catch ghost and keep score. So I'm going to create a variable by going to variables. I'm going to make a variable by clicking on make a variable. And then we'll call it score for all sprites. We give it as for all sprites. Then okay. You can see the variable appearing on our screen. That is our scoreboard. Now still inside there, we'll say in control. Is it in control? No. Yes, in events rather, not in control. When this sprite is clicked, change score by 1. So and that is in variable. So go to variable and pick change variable score by 1. And then we're going to hide. By going to looks and then we'll pick hide. So when we click the ghost, it disappears and our score goes up. Rose. Trim. Something like that. Now, going forward, we're going to add the sound. So go to now I'm just going to have a quick upgrade. So let's do start add sound in sound. Start sound.
Routine. Best beat top.
Okay. No pop.
Listen.
Okay. No. Let's test something. So we're going to stop. But you can see that now that we're playing the game, the score is increasing. If you should stop and start it, it is not resetting. So now what we're going to do now is at the top, when the green flag click, so we're going to go to variables and pick set score, set my score to 0. Every time new game starts, now every new game starts afresh rather. So we need to test this again. But that's why I should stop it and start again. It resets the game. Yeah, this feels, you can see that we were able to catch the ghost and increment our variable and also reset it. This feels time. So now your challenge is that, can you make the ghost faster? Can you make it smaller or even add 2 ghosts? That is how we game developers improve their games. And just like that, you beat your own Ghostbusters game. You learned how to use randomness, variables, and click events. That is real game logic. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video as fair show like a